HVAC question. I need some help. This room to the right here of this wall is heated and cooled by this unit here. Everything's working fine. What I need to do is we are expanding and are insulating and finishing off this room here. And so eventually this wall will be gone and this entire space will be heated and cooled by that unit. And what I want to do now, right now it's blowing everything in there and it's pulling everything from over there. And what I think I need to do is to try to get the air moving throughout the entire space is to pump some of this that way. So there's a wall here that's going to be drywalled. So this basically turns into a utility room. And my thought is to connect some ducting to that over to there so that some of that heated and cooled air blows this way into the space. Does that make sense? Is that a good idea? Do I need to do anything different? And if that works, what sort of ducting would be appropriate to do that? And then my bigger question is for the opening that's over there now, it's a square opening going into that room, whatever opening I put here, whatever ducting goes in there, let's say it's a 6-inch diameter duct that goes from there over to this area. Do I need to then close off 6 inches of that outlet there to help push that air through that, right? Like something tells me I can't just imbalance this by having more open going out, but that's kind of what I need some help here for. So any suggestions, please let me know. I appreciate it.